So you wanna save your fusion effect and use it later. Here's how you do it. Okay, let's just say you have a character who is speaking and you wanna show the name of it or something like that. But you're gonna need the effect for future projects. Well, first make your effect. Then, when you're ready, drag the box on all nodes. Then right click and save as, and now save it to the desktop, and then we just need to take it to the right place. Open your file explorer, go to local disk, program files, Blackmagic Design, Davinci Resolve, Fusion, templates. And here make a new folder, own effects or something. And then just restart the Davinci Resolve and you can find it on effects, like here. Well, that's how you quickly save your effect and fusion. Thanks for watching. Bye.